Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. Welcome back to the latest installment in the Cutting Room Floor series. This is episode number 14. If you're not familiar with this series, essentially it is exactly what it says on the tin. These are all the clips that were sent in, and well, some of my own, that didn't make it for whatever reason into a normal dashcam compilation video. If you're after your usual dashcam fix, this isn't it unfortunately, but we will be posting another video this coming Friday. What to expect? Observations, car spots, silly things, and ultimately non-events. I've noticed recently, I've had quite a few comments on a few videos that some of the clips submitted into the channel could be made non-events. Well, if you're after a showreel of non-events, you're in the right place. Sit down, relax, get a cup of tea, you may even enjoy yourself. If you are familiar with the Cutting Room Floor series, I needn't say any more. Again, grab that cup of tea, sit back and relax. Right, that's enough for me, folks. I'll quit yapping in a minute. This video was due to be released on August Bank Holiday. It is a little bit late, and the reason for that is I spent all of August Bank Holiday in the pub. Sorry, not sorry. Anyway, I'll shut up now. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
That was awkward. What's this guy from doing?
Sorry?
What's he doing?
Well, he's kind of messing around, isn't he? He's trying to impress the girls that are with him or something, I have no idea.
Odd. Oh, I'm free. Whoops. This is not
Thank you.
Lovely. Ernie the Sandero. The limited edition Dacia Sandero Ernie. There you go. One of a kind. Got a massive queue in it, shall I? Very strange. Very strange. What are you doing? What the hell's going on here? Alright. No one's in the right bloody lane, are they? Funny looking bus. The bread bus. What's that?
Boy,
So many people on the left of the centre believe in the triumph.
Quite sure where that plays from. Ah, Q8. There you are. It says on the. If you look harder, you'll see it.
You have these
Flashing down there.
Just a bit lower.
Listen!
And some sheets. Straight up.
Whoa! Yeah, keep looking and see what's coming.
Uh-oh. Look at him, they're gonna die.
Look at them!
They're bouncing.
Just as well we were slowing down there, Mr. Pigeon.
Quite sure you're going into the middle lane. Can't smell anything other than yeah, totally. There you go. Hey, what's going, do you? Okay, there's just a random shopping trolley. Just, oh right, okay. Just fancy leaving it in the middle of the road, yeah? Right, lovely, thank you. Stuck in traffic. Quite sure that was for. Someone's honking at someone.
How much of the road do you want to turn right?
What are the kinds of things people are coming in to have? Whitening, the most common things are
Yay!
Botox treatments and filler treatments.
Wants to bond with it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have met peak Nissan Qashqai driver for God that did his thing when he made me, and he empowered me from the heavens on high to go forth and purchase a very, very average family SUV for front-wheel drive, which is incredibly boring. But God claimed, "Thou shalt be boring." Moaning. Might want to move that a little bit closer. Was a natural.
Hocus Pocus, soft play and party venue. Funnest to the Maximus.
Let her out, and then she decided she didn't want to go. Like a hole there.